Hi, my name is Chris. Thanks for visiting our site today. Today we're going to show you how to measure for a replacement drawer box. Now we pulled the drawer box out. In this particular case we have a standard side mount epoxy guides on your drawer box. One thing you want to remember on ordering drawer boxes on our site, you measure the height first, which we can get in increments of a half an inch, and then you measure the width second, and the depth will be third. Now the width and the depth can be in increments of a 1/16 of an inch. In this particular case, the height of this drawer box is 4 inches. Now when you're measuring the width and the depth, you want to make sure you measure to the outside of the drawer box, not the interior. This drawer box from outside to outside measures 20 inches, and the depth from outside to outside measures 21 inches. Very important that you measure the outside perimeter. So on the site, you will order a 4-inch by 20-inch by 21-inch drawer box.